Let's explore SCSS string functions for dynamic content. Create our main SCSS file with string functions. Define variables for user information. Create a user profile with dynamic content. Add before pseudo element with user name. Combine string and convert to uppercase. Add after pseudo element with user role. Demonstrate quote and unquote functions. Define base class and button type. Check theme for conditional styling. Create attribute selector dynamically. Unquote, and uppercase the combined string. Show string length function. Use quote function for the message content. Add character count using string length. Demonstrate string index function. Display text with found index position. Show the index value in a pseudo element. Create dynamic image path with string functions. Combine strings for dynamic URL generation. Compile the SCSS to see the results. Create HTML file to demonstrate string functions. Create HTML structure for our demo. Check our compiled CSS to see generated content. Open browser to see dynamic content in action. Observe how all text is generated by SCSS functions. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.